Sometimes we get asked, is my job too small? And we have all these wonderful photos and this beautiful website to display all this fantastic work we've done, and people wonder if we're capable or willing to do smaller work. The truth of the answer is, our minimum is $1,000, and if it's a previous customer, there is no minimum. We do small jobs every single week, and that's how our company was founded and built. We were a service and general repair company from the very beginning, and we recognized that doing smaller projects for people often led to the trust and confidence to do larger things. So we don't ever want to close the door on that. So we have a minimum of $1,000 if it's not a previous customer. There are aspects of work that we just don't do. Wouldn't matter the size or the dollar amount. We don't do roof repairs. We don't chase water leaks. We're not qualified for things like that. So oftentimes we'll refer them to a professional that can help them with that. And then if there's collateral damage that's associated with that type of work, we can come in, provide them with a reasonable estimate for that, and then maybe help them out that way.